Welcome back to Product Critique, where we provide in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. In today's video, we're going to take a close look at the ASRock Z490 Phantom Gaming 4-axis motherboard, designed for 10th Gen Intel Core processors. The ASRock Z490 Phantom Gaming 4-axis supports 10th Gen Intel Core processors, making it a perfect choice for gamers and enthusiasts. The LGA1200 socket ensures compatibility with a wide range of processors, offering flexibility for your build. This motherboard boasts a 10 power phase design, ensuring stable power delivery for your CPU. It supports DDR4 memory at speeds of up to 4,400 MHz, with overclocking capabilities, providing a performance boost for your system. Featuring 2 PCIe 3.0x16 slots and 3 PCIe 3.0x1 slots, the motherboard offers plenty of room for expansion, including support for multi-GPU setups. It also includes 6 SATA3 ports and 1 Ultra M.2 slot, supporting PCIe Gen 3x4 and SATA3, ensuring fast data storage solutions. The ASRock Z490 Phantom Gaming 4-axis comes with 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports at the rear, along with 6 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. It provides HDMI for graphics output options and supports AMD Quad Crossfire X and Crossfire X. For audio, it offers 7.1 carbon monohydride HD audio with the Realtek ALC120 audio codec, along with Nahimic audio for an immersive sound experience. Connectivity is top-notch with Intel Gigabit LAN for wired networking. It also features Intel Wi-Fi 6 with speeds up to 2.4 gigabits per second and Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless wireless connectivity. ASRock has equipped this motherboard with premium features like 50A power choke, sapphire black PCB, and high-density glass fabric PCB for durability. It also comes with ASRock's full spike protection for USB, audio, and LAN ports. ASRock USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C ports deliver blazing fast data transfer speeds of 10 gigabits per second. The motherboard supports ASRock's Intel 4-layer memory pool technology for enhanced memory performance. It includes various connectors like COM port header, SPI TPM header, RGB LED headers, and more for customization. The motherboard also supports Thunderbolt AIC with a dedicated connector. The rear panel offers multiple USB ports, HDMI, LAN port, and audio jacks, ensuring connectivity for all your peripherals. The ASRock Z490 Phantom Gaming 4-axis motherboard offers a powerful platform for gaming and high-performance computing. With its compatibility, expansion options, and robust build quality, it's a great choice for enthusiasts looking to build a reliable and capable system. Stay tuned for more reviews on Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech updates.